Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to install the correct post processor in Fusion 360 so that we can mill out our little Pinewood Derby cars or wren-shaped cars on the Benchmill 6000 CNC machine. So one of the first things that we need to do is, if you look over here on the left side on your data panel, you'll see that you'll have like all your projects and then you'll have libraries over here. Now for some of you, this will not be defaulted to, or you won't see it there. So in order to get this folder here, this assets folder up for the CAM post that we're eventually going to need, we need to change our preferences. So you're going to come over here onto the right hand side, click on your little name and go to preferences. It takes a moment to come up. Then we are going to go to manufacture, and once we're on manufacture, we're going to enable cloud libraries. So click that, hit apply, okay. Now once that's there, you're going to go to assets. These CAM machines, post, CAM print settings, templates, and tools should now be available. I believe these are already there. But anyway, we're going to go to CAM posts. These are the post processors we need. We actually need the Intellitek PLTW version 3 post processor. So you're going to go to upload. You are going to search for the file. You're either going to drag it in from wherever you download it to, or you're going to look for the file. So I actually have a version on my desktop of it, I believe. Let's take a look. Yep, so the Intellitek right there. I do have another one floating around, but I would click that, bring it in, upload that file, and we should be good to go. Now, once it's uploaded, you'll see it in over here. To now get the correct post processor used to make like this hole or whatever it is on our CNC machine, we go into the post for this. So there's two ways. You could right click on your toolpad and go to post process, or we can go to post process over here. Now, if it's all one setup, only one work coordinate system that we are using, you can go to setup one right here and post that whole thing. So post. Now up over here is where we're looking. So if we didn't have it, we would go setup, use cloud posts. So you click that. And what we would have over here is you would be like, oh, that is the post I need. And we can then change the whole post. And then we can actually post out the program. So I got to hold it block whole post. And then that's it. Save it to where you need to save it to. And you are good to go. That is how you are going to use or get the correct post into Fusion 360 for this project. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day.